Did you know colonizers once erased an entire civilization from its own history just because they couldn't believe black Africans built it? Great Zimbabwe was massive. 700 acres of towering dry stone walls, some rising over 30 feet, built without a single drop of mortar. Constructed by the Shona people starting around the 11th century, it was one of the most sophisticated structures on the African continent. But when European colonizers arrived in the 1800s, they refused to believe it. So they invented an explanation. First, it was the Phoenicians, then King Solomon, then an imaginary ancient white race they called Azanians. The colonial government of Rhodesia didn't just spread these theories, they made them official. Archaeologists who correctly identified Shona builders were silenced, censored, and pushed out of their positions. This wasn't confusion. It was a deliberate campaign to erase a civilization from its own story. When Zimbabwe gained independence in 1980, naming the country after that city was not symbolic. It was a declaration. The history was always theirs.